Greetings and welcome back to the Car Doctor channel. I'm Tim. I'm here at the beautiful repair shop of Donor Automotive here in Anchorage, Alaska. And got a quick tip for you today. Subject vehicle here behind me is a 07 Chevy Avalanche, and I suppose this tip is going to be relative to I don't know, probably I guess would be like 05 through 08 Chevrolet, GM, Cadillac trucks and SUVs. This one came in complaining of no cruise control operation. Actually, it would have cruise, and then as soon as they turned on the HVAC blower motor, the cruise will kick off. So this vehicle's been in previously for brake switch replacement, causing a no cruise control operation. But this time they also had a complaint of an intermittent no start scenario where it would kind of crank slowly and not fire off. There's been other electrical weird complaints over the months, and we just never traced that down. But today we started doing some testing and whatnot, and one thing I always want to look for on these is this ground, any engine to body ground, any battery cable type issue, especially when you're having to do with, you know, a circuit that's being loaded and a control that stops functioning as a load is being applied to a circuit. Has us looking at powers and grounds, obviously. But in this case, the left front or the left side cylinder head, there is a ground that goes between the rear of the left cylinder head and comes up here just above the brake booster. And as you can see here, the grounds are melting. And let me see if I can get some better light on the subject here. This ground itself being loose. So that creates excessive amperage draw through that poor connection there, and subsequent melting of the wires there. So that's a pretty good sign. I think we're on the right track. But definitely you have a similar issue. Even if your cruise control is going out after a window is engaged, there's other grounds, like a bad ground wire in the door hinge area, and there's some grounds down below, of course. That's a common issue with that, but just another power and ground issue here that we're dealing with on the Avalanche today. But I think we got this one squared away. We'll just remove that ground, clean everything up, repair any melted wires, and get this thing back on the road. So anyway, hope that quick video was helpful for someone out there experiencing a similar issue, and do appreciate you watching my channel as always, and wish you good luck with your repairs. All right, have a good one. Catch you later.